Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. We're gonna do something different for this video because I'm going to Coachella for the first time. For the 3-day festival, I am going to wear different outfits each day and I want to make custom jewelry to match each of the outfit I will wear. So stay to the end to see the finished look. This first one is a cyberpunk outfit. It's all black and it comes with a lot of these buckles and straps. And then some print. It's got many separate pieces. So these are the leg pieces, the main body piece. This is the top, I believe. Yeah, top bodysuit, but with a lot of cutouts. The top piece that goes over the bodysuit kind of has like sleeves. I imagine maybe I'll just wear it like sleeveless, and then I'll put the sleeve on once it gets cold later at night. And then for the second one, it's going to be a Dune-inspired outfit, which is, I think is very fitting for the desert scene. This is like a very thin fabric, and it comes with a hood and like a turtleneck piece like that can go over the half of the face, so maybe I can also use it to shield myself from the dust. I also have this on the outside, which is a harness, built pretty sturdy, and it has like lots of elements. My favorite part of it is that it comes with pockets like these. This is like the thigh piece, also detachable, and then I can just put my phone and like wallet, whatever in here, so it's easy access during the festival. For the third piece, I'm going to wear this. This is from Zara. I got it a few years ago, but haven't been able to wear it much. It's like a tube dress with 2 layers. The outside is like more sheer, and then it's got these folds. For the cyberpunk outfit, I wanted to make something futuristic and cool looking. So it needs to look geometric and minimalistic. One thing that immediately came to mind is this double pyramid origami shape I sometimes make. As for the color, I decided on black to match the outfit. This origami is really fun to fold because it's made from 3 interlocking parallelogram pieces. I coated it with varnish to protect the paper and give it a glossy finish. To make it look even more futuristic, I added a silver chain for that suspended look. I used closed loop hooks so it would be more secure on my ear. The finished piece is really cool. It's edgy and bold. I'm actually considering making it a limited edition for my shop. Moving on to the next piece. I found it hard to make earrings for the Dune outfit because it has a hood and I didn't want it to interfere with them. But then I saw this face jewelry from Dolls Kill where I got the outfit and decided to make my own. I started by bending a tube shape that I usually use for bracelets. This will be the centerpiece that stays on my nose. The making of this piece was pretty free flow. As you can see, there were no sketches or plans. I just grabbed whatever gold findings I had in my craft station, put it on my face, and check if it looked good. I ended up taking longer than usual because I had to revise the lengths a few times. Here's the finished look. It's kind of hard to tell what it is when it's just dangly, but I will show you how it looks on my face at the end. Last but not least, for the K-pop dress, I made a bracelet and paired it with pink fan earrings. The earrings are from the latest collection on my online shop. You can check out my previous videos to see how they're made, or grab a pair for yourself. The bracelet was the easiest piece to make because it's similar to my usual design style. This was another free flow process where I grabbed a bunch of pink beads and laid them out on a plate. After adding metal loops to each bead, I assembled them into a bracelet. I also found these butterfly charms to add, which gave it a more dainty look. Here's the finished earring and bracelet set. I also made 2 more bracelets for my friends who will be wearing green and red outfits.
taught from all of my mistakes.
That's a wrap. If you enjoy my handmade jewelry, be sure to check out my website, and if you're a fellow maker, you might like my previous videos where I turn my bedroom into a craft studio. By the way, thank you so much to everyone who supported my work over the past year. Your orders help me make this Coachella trip and this video possible. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.